Exposing the secret to unlocking your dream career with AI. Say hello to WeKIT. Imagine having a 24/7 career mentor in your pocket. With WeKIT's Yoma, your AI mentor assistant, you get personalized career guidance tailored to your strengths and goals. Need clarity? Our psychometric assessments pinpoint your best career fit, while our professional roadmaps offer a structured path to success. And that's just the beginning. WeKIT connects you with industry-specific mentors, both locally and globally, ensuring you have the support you need to thrive. Boost your credentials with industry-recognized certification programs and align your career with your values through our ESG-integrated mentoring. With lifelong career support and guidance, WeKIT guides you at every stage, making it easier than ever to connect your ambitions to real opportunities. Join the revolution. Unlock your purpose with WeKIT today. Ready to transform your career? Tap the link and let's get started.
Imagine a world where every young mind is rooted in purpose, where career dreams aren't just aspirations, but actionable plans, where you can dare to dream. Sounds incredible, right? That's the world WeKIT is creating, one mentorship at a time. The reality is stark. Over 40% of students and professionals feel lost in their career journey, struggling with mismatched goals and careers, a lack of role models, and an overwhelming array of choices. Worse still, many organizations grapple with high attrition and disengaged employees due to these mismatches. There's a gap, a wide one, between potential and opportunity, and it's costing individuals and businesses alike. I saw this firsthand during my career as a mentoring coach working with parents, young professionals. Aha moment came when I realized this problem wasn't about a lack of talent, but a lack of personal guidance, structured pathways, connections to the right mentors. That's when I founded WeKIT, a deep tech solution that redefines mentoring. WeKIT combines the power of AI and human touch to deliver tailored mentoring experiences, and here's how. Aptitude-driven insights. Using advanced assessments, we identify strengths, passions, growth areas. We help individuals find their purpose. Industry-specific role models. We connect mentees with professionals who walk the path they want to walk, who can nurture them, handhold and guide them through the very confusing professional pathways that are open. Corporate ESG alignment. Our platform integrates as WeKIT ESG ranking feature, which enables organizations to track and amplify their mentoring impact. It supports the United Nations SDGs of education and equity of mentoring to all across the world. The result is a scalable, sustainable mentoring ecosystem that empowers individuals and organizations alike and creates a beautiful world, a world that is purpose-driven, a world that is peaceful. We just might get world peace. Our vision is simple yet bold: to root youth in purpose and empower them to thrive in their fields. Beyond individuals, we are shaping workplaces by creating a culture of mentorship, reducing attrition, and building more engaged, purpose-driven teams. Through our WeKIT Smiles initiative, we are extending this impact to specially abled youth, offering them vocational training and career opportunities in dental assisting. In just a year, WeKIT is poised to transform how we approach mentoring, bridging gaps, unlocking potentials, and creating lasting change. Join us in this journey to not just be a mentor, but to empower, guide, and inspire. Together, let's root the future in purpose. Thank you.